Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you a super simple, quick and easy scrambled eggs. So this scrambled egg is going to be a tofu scrambled egg, and let's go ahead and jump right into the ingredients I'm going to be using. Alright, so we have some tofu, taco seasoning, cayenne pepper, cumin, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, onion powder, turmeric, salt, and a little bit of plant-based milk. Now, making these scrambled eggs is super simple because all I'm gonna do is crumble up the tofu over a pan, heat it up with some oil, and add in these great ingredients. Mix it up for about 3 to 5 minutes, and it's done. You got some scrambled egg. Okay, so I'm just getting in there and crumbling up the tofu, and then any big pieces that are left over, you can just break up with a cooking utensil. And now that I have the tofu cooking, it's super simple. Just add in these ingredients, let this cook up. You're gonna see that the tofu itself is gonna go from a white color to a little bit more of a yellowy orangey tinge. That is absolutely normal. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these in and finish off the tofu scrambled eggs. Okay, so you can see how simple it is to make those tofu scrambled eggs. Let me go ahead and try it out so I can let you know what I think. It's delicious. It is soft and creamy like scrambled eggs, and it's loaded with flavor with all of those spices. It's absolutely fantastic, and honestly, these scrambled eggs, this is what I eat on any of my days off of work. I enjoy this. I'll even eat it for dinner sometimes. I'll have it with some toast. Really just however, whatever I'm in the mood for. Some beans, some beets, tomato. It's great. This is a great alternative to real eggs. It's scrambled eggs. It's fantastic. There's not a lot more I can say about it. But I'm going to show you guys a recipe that you can use this in. So check out the link that's going to be, or check out the video that's going to be popping up here in any moment, because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I will see you again real soon.